How's it going, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development, back again today with what is bromelain. But first, before we dive into this one, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be coming out with tons of information, and I want to make sure that you're up to date with it. So make sure to tune in, and let's get into it. Bromelain is a combination of compounds largely consisting of a protein digesting enzyme that is derived from pineapples. Bromelain was first isolated and began being in studies in the 1890s. The enzymes that make up bromelain are known to break down collagen in steak and different kinds of flesh, such as your tongue, if the dose is high enough and potent enough. Bromelain has been associated with quite a few benefits, but the most notable benefits for bromelain are for the potent anti-inflammatory and wound healing effects it has. Bromelain has been shown in studies to significantly reduce inflammation and pain for several inflammatory issues, such as arthritis and colitis, while even helping to heal burns when applied topically. It can also be supplemented in higher doses to help with protein digestion, which is really good. Bromelain supplements are going to be the most effective and potent way to get this enzyme into the regimen, although pineapple is a good adjunct to any diet. If you are looking to get the benefits of bromelain, you probably need to take a good supplement. Doses range from 200 to 2,000 milligrams, with the higher end of this range being best for helping with digestion in most cases. When looking for a bromelain supplement, you want to make sure that the supplement has a high GDU to ensure the potency of the supplement. ZU-Relief by UMZU has a very potent dose of bromelain in it, along with several other ingredients shown to be extremely effective for fighting inflammation in the body and helping to alleviate pain. So if you want to check that out, you make sure to click the link in the description and go check out the website. That's really all I got for this one. Thank you for watching. Again, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Hit the like button if you learned something. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and then comment down below if you have any tips for how I can make these videos better, or if you have anything that you would like me to cover in the future. Please comment down below and I'll get around to it. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.